Like, and it always overfills, so I'm going to try not to do that. Yummy! Hope everybody's having a good Monday. Not working too hard. Okay. That's probably one. Good morning, everybody. I have been looking for a waffle recipe, a keto or low-carb waffle recipe for a hot minute. So if you have a good one that you have tried, drop a one in the comments and let me know what recipe you've tried. But I'm going to walk you through the one I found. Again, I'm trying this to see if it's good. I will let you all know how it turns out. So we're going to start with our dry ingredients, which is 1 cup of almond flour. And I use the blanched kind. Again, it's better for baking and cooking in my opinion. It's got a finer texture so it doesn't taste grainy. And then 1/4 of a teaspoon, I already measured it out, of pink Himalayan salt. Might add just a dash more. And then we want 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking powder. This is a fairly simple recipe, so I'm hoping it turns out well. I will share in the comments below how it turned out. So we have our dry ingredients first. We're going to kind of mix that together. That looks fine. And then start adding our eggs. It called for 3 eggs. If you've ever made waffles or pancakes low carb style, drop a 2 in the comments. I would love to hear what you've tried, what was successful, what was yummy. There's my 3rd egg. And then it calls for 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm using avocado oil. You can use what you prefer. 1, 2. And it says mix those together and then slowly add a cup of heavy whipping cream, and you might actually not need all of the heavy whipping cream. So I'm going to mix this up real quick. And depending on texture or how thin, I guess, you're going to add some heavy whipping cream in. And the actual recipe said that they didn't use all of it, so I'm going to gradually add it in and see where we're at. Still pretty thick. If you love waffles, give me some waffle love on my post. I appreciate you guys watching this morning. Well, I guess it's afternoon probably, depending on where you are. It's about 10 after 10 here. So technically still breakfast time. It's looking pretty good to me, so I'm about 1/2 of a cup. I'm going to add just a tiny bit more. If you get it too thin, you can always add a little more almond flour in. Okay, cool. Just 1 second. You guys are going to laugh, but check out our waffle maker. I have 2 boys in this house and a husband, so we do Spider-Man waffles. So we're going to pour it in and see what it turns out like. And it always overfills, so I'm going to try not to do that. Yummy! Hope everybody's having a good Monday. Not working too hard. Okay. That's probably plenty. Alright, so I'll share in the comments the recipe and let you know how these turn out. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you got value from this or you might make this, drop a 3 in the comments.